Hello friends, in today's episode I am going to show you simple and easy ways to have your empty wall decorated. If not even for your empty wall, when you'll do videos or if you'll have photograph sessions around some corner of your house or something, the most simple and easy way, low budget, cost efficient way of decorating your wall is this. So I'm going to show you step by step how it is done. You do not need to rely on any product, buy wall stickers and have different kind of designs stuck to your wall, when you can actually do it at home, taking your own sweet time and making it all the more different and beautiful. For those of y'all who are having time restrictions, who cannot do these things or do not find the time to do these things, I will attach a few links in the description box where you can purchase wall stickers and have your wall decorated as well. If you all are looking for something which is cost efficient, where you all do not have to spend too much of money, the one that I have placed in the background, this is the best way. If you all do not have time and you all wouldn't mind paying money, then you all can go through the links in the description box. So here I have taken scissor, and as you can see, these are square cut papers of different color, different sizes. I will show you on a bigger square cut paper how is the flower done, the easy flower. I am not going to show the rose flower how it is made because that's time consuming. Let's begin. You'll take a square paper like this. These are also craft papers that you get in craft boxes for the kids, and just fold it corner to corner to form a shape of a triangle on one side. So as always, I would suggest you all to put the folds in well, because that's what will help us on a later stage for the cutting of the flower. Once I'm done, again corner to corner fold I will do to form another triangle shape on each of the sides. Now this is the second fold that I have done. First fold big triangle, second fold medium triangle. You will get two open sides. Again third fold and a smaller triangle. And we will stop at the third fold in this way. See that your folds are pretty well. This is required for the cutting and to get a good shape of the flower. Now here is what you will get. The design will be drawn here on the top side. You get open side of the triangle and closed side of the triangle. This is the open side. You don't need to draw from here. From the closed side, you go up and draw the kind of shape you require. Now I will just draw a curve shape to just show you once you have cut it how it looks. But for flowers, I would suggest you all to draw the petal shape as a triangle type, or the shape that you all usually like to see flowers in. This shape is also quite common. It would look cute in smaller sizes, but to follow instructions I have done a bigger size of the orange color. So this is how it will look, circular once cut with the curvy shape. Now what you'll do is, this line that you see, you will cut across that line with the scissor, because you will need to fold the flap underneath. I will show you. Cut the line first, exactly on the line. Once you're done cutting this side of the flower, what you'll do is you will give it a small shorter cut on the other side in this way that you see, and from there you will give it a side cut, because we require this flap to fold it over the flower so that we can get a curved flower kind of look of this paper. So this is what it should be looking once I stick it with the glue. So basically this is a small example of how you can make the flowers with the smaller squares. The smaller square flowers look better. You all will notice it during the video, more preferable than the bigger ones. Even the medium size, a few of them would look good. Now I have a small sized flower. I'm done with the big one. I have few small sized flowers which I have already made. I will just show you what kind of shading you can give it so that it would give a realistic look. So each petal you will have to do a sideward outline shading, you'll just give a good outline with another color, a brighter color, so it will give an attractive look to the flower like this that you see. It looks cute, right? In the same way, you can make many of these kind of flowers, and then you can stick it on the wall. Here I am in the process of sticking these flowers on the wall. I'm making use of glue gun. So for those of you all who want to know how to remove them, I will attach a link of the hack that I've shown to remove petals, remove stickers and all from your wall without any chipping of the wall paint. This is how it has started looking, and since you can see my video, you'll know how it looks. Creativity just has a different level, and that has been proved in today's hack. So do give it a try. If you all are looking to decorate your wall, there are different things you all can add to your wall. In case if you're looking for a different kind of craft works that you all want to add to your wall, do let me know. I could even try making a video on that. Maybe you all can add butterflies. Maybe instead of these plain flowers, you all can add roses. These are a little time consuming, but for a quicker way, a most easy way, I suggested this method of making flowers. Hope you all have liked this episode of How Hacks. Do let me know in the comments section. Also, for those of you all who are new visitors to my channel, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that you see besides it. For those of you all who have any suggestions or requests, please do let us know in the comments section. Or if not, you all can even send us an email. That's all on today's episode. I'll see you next time on How Hacks.